Yeah, mate, away you go.
I've got 5 there, so that'll do me.
Locked, unlocked. Same process. Unlocked. Window now goes up as much as you want.
Yep, and you can drop it automatically.
And then when you drop it, clicks back into place, so that when you open the window again, no, without having to lock it, you can still open it again, can't you?
Yeah. Oh, there you go. That's opening it.
No, I mean when it pops out,
yeah,
you can't lift the window back up past there.
No, but you can deadlock it, so it goes back up.
So it stops there,
Yep.
and then you
Drop
just
it down.
unlock it, yeah, with your little key.
Yep, and then the key will go in. Done it.
And slow.
That as well.
Cool, mate.
You can see that.